Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a retractable banner on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the print button and go to the marketing section next to the popular, and click to the retractable banner. Here you have more options. If you want to add pictures to your project, just click to the upload button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select one and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the picture, just go to the gallery or the uploads button, select the picture and just drag it to the selected frame. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text, write your text, and done. If you want to change the style of your text, click to the arrow next to the Montserrat Semi text style name, and here you can choose another text style or font type. Just select one and step on it. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the plus or the minus icon, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.